ሄሎ ሄሎ እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ናችሁ? ዛሬ ደግሞ እንግዲህ ባለፈው እንደተባባልነው የጂኦግራፊ ትምህርት ዩኒት 8 እና ዩኒት 7ን ትንሽ ኮንሴፕቹዋል ጥያቄውን አብረን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። Let's begin. Okay, the first questions which say, what is the main focus of geospatial information? What is the main focus of geospatial information? A. Historical event. B. Political system. C. Information related to location on Earth. D. Literal analysis. Okay, so the main focus of geospatial information is information related to the location on Earth. ይሆናል ማለት ነው short. Okay, so the answer for this question is C. So when we talk about geospatial informations, which it is study place and locations on the Earth or from the real environment, no ማለት ነው short. So the answer of this question is C. The next question is about which one is not listed under the main contents of unit 8 ይላል። So a geographical data representation ምናምን ይላል። Okay, the answer population distribution is not of the list unit 8 topics ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ population ስለ population የሚያወራው ዩኒት 4 መሆኑን ማወቅ አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, the next question. Question number 3. Data refers to A. Processed information. B. Organized knowledge. C. Raw observation. Facts. D. Final report ይችላል። So data refers to raw observation እና fact ነው, which is unprocessed information ነው or data ነው ማለት unprocessed የሆነ raw data which is refers to data ማለት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ፋይናል ሪፖርት ወር ደግሞ just processed የሆነው that is information ይባላል። So when we talk about the data is unprocessed facts ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, or observation, raw observation in the facts. The next questions. So የኢንፎርሜሽን እና ዳታውን ዲፈረንስ ማወቅ አለባችሁ። ዳታ ሲባል unprocessed ነው፣ information is processed ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, the next questions. Which of the following is an example of data? A. Average rainfall reports. B. Temperature reading collected daily. C. A. Summarized charts. D. A. Newspaper article. The answer is B. Temperature reading collected daily. It is an example of data. For example, average rainfall report ከተባለ that is already happened የሆነ processed የሆነ information ነው። summarized charts also that's final output ነው። newspaper article also happened የሆነውን ነገር just report ማድረግ ነው ማለት ነው። So the answer for this question is B. Temperature reading collected daily ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So the next question is about information is the result of what? Information is the result of A. Ignoring data. B. Processing and organizing data. C. Destroying data. D. Collecting rocks. The answer for this question is information is the result of processing and organizing data ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, which is processing እና organizing data ነው። processed የሆነና organized የሆነ ዳታ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? that is information ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So the answer for this question is B. ስለዚህ ልዩነቱን በደንብ የገባችሁ ይመስለኛል። The next question is about which of the following is true about data ይላል። data is always processed, it's not processed. B. Data are depend on information. Really, data depend on information ሳይሆን information is depend on data ነው። C. Data is unprocessed fact and the figures that is unprocessed ነው። raw የሆነ ጀስት ፋክትስ ኦር ኢሜጅ ሊሆን ይችላል በፒክቸር የሚገለጽ ነገር ዳት ኢዝ ዴታ ማለት እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ዴታ እና ኢንፎርሜሽን what the people were they are used interchangeably but what they are to a different terms or which is different definition አላቸው ማለት so data is unprocessed information is already the processed outputs of geospatial information or whatever the observation that we gather from our environment or from different software outputs. So the answer for this question is C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, data are raw facts before processing ነው ብለናል። The next question is about information is considered as A, raw facts, B, unorganized symbols, C, output or processed data, D, input for the community computers only. That's sorry. So the answer for this question is C, outputs or processed data ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, information is considered as output of processed data. output ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, processed የሆነ ዳታ ምን ይባላል? that is information ይባላል። the answer is C. Information processed in meaningful data ነው ማለት ነው። Okay. The first stage in the data cycle is analysis, disseminations, collections, and processing. The answer is collection. ስለዚህ just the first stage when we are going to collect the data to disseminate, the first step is collections of the data. ይሆናል ማለት ነው። the answer is C. The first step. The final step is also dissemination. The most first is collect the data. Which stage of the data cycle involves checking data quality? Which stage of the data cycle involves checking data quality? A, processing, B, collection, C, dissemination, D, observation. The stage of the data cycle involves checking data quality. የሚያሳይ just before we are going to process the data, just we are going to see what the qualities of the data is concerned. So that is mostly processing normal. Okay, after we collect, just we analyze, we see just the quality of the data by processing about the geospatial information or whatever it is concerned. Okay, which stage of the data cycle involves checking data quality ብለናል። the next question number 10. Which stage comes first processing in the data cycle? Which stage comes first after processing in the data cycle? Is A, collection, B, analyze, D, dissemination, D, storage. The answer for this question is analyze normally. Okay, the first or just the stage after processing is analyzing. ፕሮሰስ አድርገን ከዛ አናላይዝ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ በጣም ሰርቪስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። just that is all about our today's question and answer. Mostly please to understand here what the difference between the data and information is concerned, especially from the geospatial information. We collect the data first and then we process, analyze, and finally disseminate. That is mostly information ይባላል። ሶ የኢንፎርሜሽን እና የዳታ ዲፍረንሱን በደንብ ማወቅ እንዳለባቸው ነው ማለት ነው። most the people and most the time where they use the terms are data and information interchangeably, but which this has ቱ ዲፍረንት ተርምስ እንደሆነ ማወቅ አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። ሼር ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ኔክስት ስቴፕ ስለ ጂኦ ስፔሻል ኢንፎርሜሽን እና ፍሮም ዩኒት 8 ስፔሻሊ አባውት ዘ ጂአይኤስ ኤንድ ሃው ዊ ሜክ the modern map or topography map የሚለውን ዲቴይል ዲስከስ እያደረግን እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ቴንክ ዩ